This is Chris from BlueRavenStudios.com, and today I'm going to show you how to embed a Google tour into a web page. The first thing you need to do is you need to pull up a Google Maps. So you can do that by opening up a browser and then going to maps.google.com. I'm going to do that right now for you. You go to maps.google.com, and you can go to the Maps homepage. Now I'm actually logged out. I made sure that I'm signed out of my account. I'm not signed into any special account or anything like that. And I just wanted to make sure that that I'm starting fresh. I'm just doing that because for this demonstration purposes, I want you to understand that you do not have to be signed in to any special Google account or anything like that in order to do this. So the customer that we're going to embed, this is actually a customer that's having a little trouble with this, and that's why I'm making this video in the first place. It's called Thinkering Kids. Okay. Located down in Miami, and this is Thinkering Kids Google Maps listing here. You can see their knowledge card in the left-hand side with their hours of operation, their phone number, and their street address. And then underneath that on the knowledge card, you can see the see inside windows that show you the inside of the facility, and you could you can actually browse those if you wanted to. Oops. Is it going to go to the next one? There we go. My computer's a little slow right now. And let's just say that this is the scene that I would like to embed into my website or my web page or whatever, okay? So this is the scene. I want it to look just like this, okay? So up in the top left-hand corner of the image, you can see these three dots here, okay, right next to the listing. So you click on the three dots and you slide down to Share or Embed Image, okay? And then you have a little dialog box that pops up, and you can do one of two things. You can either copy the link to your clipboard, or you can get an embed code, okay? So we're going to choose the embed code, and it even gives you a little preview and shows you that this is what the end user is going to see. And I'm just going to copy that HTML code to my clipboard, okay? And I can go ahead and close that out now. I don't need that anymore, and now I'm going to go to my actual web page where I want to include this, and I had a web page open already. Where are you? Ah, there we go. Okay. This is just the actual Blue Raven Studios website. All I did was I just created a new page. It's a WordPress website. So I just went into Pages and created a new page. And I'll just call my page Thinkering Test. Okay, and I can write in the whatever copy. This is our new tour! Exclamation mark. Okay, and in WordPress or whatever tool you're using to edit your HTML, you want to look at the actual HTML code is where you're going to embed that code that you just copied to your clipboard. So now I'm in WordPress. The way you do that is you get out of Visual and click over to Text, and now I'm in my embed mode. Or if you use Dreamweaver or Notepad or however it is that you edit your HTML, that's what you go into, and that's where you're going to embed the HTML code, is within your HTML code of the site itself. So here I am in the code, and I'm just gonna it's as simple as paste. That's it, and I paste that code into my website wherever I want it to work. And you do have a couple of parameters you can change here. You can change the width, or you can change the height if you want. If you want to add a frame or a border, or if you want it to go full screen or not, whatever it is that you want, that's where you would change that, okay? And if I go back to Visual, I can actually see a visual representation of that tour, okay? And I can preview it, and I can look, is it indeed working? And yes, there it is, embedded into the website, working perfectly fine, okay? So that's how you embed a Google tour into a website, and that's how you obtain the embed code. I thank you very much for watching, and if you want to take a moment to browse our website, Blue Raven Studios offers a number of services, including video, interactive websites, apps, VR headset apps, all kinds of neat stuff. So please visit us on the web at blueravenstudios.com to check that out. Thanks for watching.